Ever watched a YouTube video and wondered if the claims were true? Or scrolled through comments and felt like you were stuck in a loop of the same arguments? You're not alone. Misinformation spreads faster than ever, and YouTube's comment sections can turn into echo chambers, reinforcing false ideas instead of challenging them. But what if AI could step in, not just to fact-check videos, but to spark real conversations? Let's break down this groundbreaking research from Stanford that's trying to do just that. The team developed two AI agents, Truth Sleuth and Trend Bender. Think of them as a fact-checking detective and a persuasive debate partner. Let's start with Truth Sleuth. When a video is uploaded, this AI doesn't just watch, it reads. It pulls out every claim made in the video's script, then uses a clever method called Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, to check those claims. RAG works like a super smart researcher. It searches trusted sources like Wikipedia, Google, and fact-checking databases to verify if a statement is true, false, or unsure. Here's the cool part. Instead of just labeling a claim as false, Truth Sleuth generates a detailed report. It gathers evidence, cites sources, and even highlights where the video might be misleading. But the real challenge isn't just spotting lies, it's helping people understand them. That's where Trend Bender comes in. Trend Bender takes the report from Truth Sleuth and turns it into a comment that could appear in the video's discussion section. But this isn't just any comment. It's crafted to spark thoughtful debate. Imagine a video claiming men are physically stronger than women. Trend Bender might respond with a comment that asks, "What does the science say?" and links to studies, encouraging viewers to think critically. How does it work? Trend Bender uses a self-evaluation loop to refine its comments. After generating a draft, it scores itself on criteria like clarity, persuasiveness, and factual accuracy. Then it tweaks its approach, like a writer revising a draft until it's ready to post. This way, the AI gets better at engaging users without just shouting, "This is wrong." The team tested their system on real YouTube videos and established datasets. On a tricky dataset called A VeriTeC, Truth Sleuth nailed 86% of false claims, outperforming other systems. And when Trend Bender posted its comments, it actually encouraged more constructive discussions. The key takeaway: AI isn't just a tool for fact-checking. It could help break down the filter bubbles that keep us stuck in our own beliefs. Of course, this is still early research. But imagine a future where AI helps us navigate the internet with clearer eyes, not just faster clicks. This isn't about replacing human judgment. It's about giving us better tools to question, learn, and connect. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments, what's one claim you'd love an AI to fact-check for you? Stay curious, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the science shaping our world. Have you ever wondered how AI could help fight misinformation online? Today, we're diving into a fascinating experiment where researchers tested how to train an AI to generate thoughtful, fact-based comments on social media, specifically YouTube. Let's unpack how they did it, what they learned, and why this matters for the future of online conversations. The team wanted to create an AI agent called Trend Bender that could generate comments capable of sparking meaningful debates. But here's the challenge. These comments couldn't just be smart, they had to be nuanced. The researchers developed 7 key criteria to judge quality, like: does it avoid making things up? No fake facts or pretending to be human? Does it take a stand against harmful ideas? Is it specific and logical? Does it show empathy and match the tone of the conversation? To test this, they tried different prompts. Think of them as instructions for the AI. Did they give detailed rules? Did they show examples of good comments? Did they feed the AI extra data like fact-check reports? They even added a self-evaluation loop, like a writer revising their own work to improve. The results: the best version of Trend Bender used detailed prompts, example comments, real fact-check data, and that self-review step. It generated comments that weren't just accurate, but also engaging. But here's where it got really interesting. When they tested this AI on YouTube itself, they created a fake account called it SU Sleuth, Stanford University Sleuth, and started posting AI-generated comments under videos about topics like the manosphere and diet culture. Spoiler, YouTube's moderation system didn't love them at first. Many comments got flagged as spam because they included links or admitted they were AI. But after tweaking their approach, no links, fewer posts, the AI started getting noticed. Some comments sparked debates, others got likes, and a few even made users think twice. But not everyone was impressed. One user called the AI ChatGPT and stopped engaging. It's a reminder that while AI can challenge misinformation, it's not a magic fix. What did this teach us? First, prompt engineering, the art of guiding AI, is crucial. The more specific the instructions, the better the output. Second, AI needs nuance. It's not enough to say this is false. The AI has to explain why and how that matters. And finally, deploying AI on social media isn't just about tech. It's about understanding platform rules, ethics, and human behavior. So where do we go from here? The researchers say AI could help fight echo chambers, but only if we design it responsibly. Think of it as a tool to spark critical thinking, not a replacement for human judgment. And if you're curious about the nitty-gritty, all their prompts, code, and experiments are on GitHub. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in how AI shapes our online world, hit subscribe. And let us know in the comments, what do you think about AI joining the conversation? Is it a helpful ally or a digital troublemaker? Let's keep the debate going. Have you ever wondered how AI handles facts? Like when you ask a question, does it just make things up or actually know the answer? Well, researchers are working on this all the time, and some recent studies are pushing the boundaries of how AI interacts with real-world data. Let's start with a big challenge. Large language models, or LLMs, are amazing at generating text, but they don't always know when they're wrong. Imagine writing an article about climate change. Your AI buddy might come up with a great draft, but how do you know if the numbers are accurate? That's where projects like A VeriTeC come in. This dataset helps train AI to verify claims using real web evidence, like checking if a news headline matches the actual article. It's like giving AI a fact-checker sidekick. Then there's this cool idea called knowing when to ask. Think of it as teaching AI when to rely on its own knowledge and when to seek outside help. For example, if you ask, "What's the population of Tokyo?" the model might answer from its training data. But if you ask something more specific, like, "What's the latest policy on renewable energy in Germany?" it might need to look up recent sources. Researchers are testing different prompts and input strategies to help AI make that call. And here's something even wilder. Can AI write Wikipedia-style articles from scratch? One study shows that with the right prompts, LLMs can generate structured, detailed content, like a mini encyclopedia entry. But here's the twist. They still need human oversight. After all, even the best AI can't replace the nuance of expert editing. These studies are part of a bigger picture. By combining AI's creativity with real-world data, like the Wikipedia API or claim verification tools, researchers are building smarter systems. The goal? To create AI that doesn't just sound confident, but actually knows what it's talking about. So next time you see an AI-generated article or a fact-check tool, remember, this is the result of years of work to make sure the machines aren't just talking the talk, they're walking the walk. Stay curious, and let's keep exploring the future of AI together.